Hello student, in this video we see the practical to perform the synthesis of the benzocaine. For the preparation of benzocaine we require the chemicals. First para-aminobenzoic acid, next concentrated H2SO4, third sodium carbonate and the fourth absolute alcohol. So the principle behind this reaction, this is basically the acid catalyst esterification reaction. In this reaction, para-aminobenzoic acid contains the carboxylic acid group. This carboxylic group reacted with the alcohol and from this obtain the benzocaine. Okay, so this all reaction is a reversible reaction. This reaction is proceed very slowly. For that purpose, we use the H2SO4 or the concentrated sulfuric acid as a catalyst to speed up the reaction. Now we will see all the details about the chemical and the principle of this practical.
Student, let us see the requirement used for the synthesis of benzocaine, that is ethyl para-aminobenzoate. So requirements are: in apparatus we required beaker, round bottom flask, condenser, glass rod, measuring cylinder, filter paper and thermometer. In chemicals we required para-aminobenzoic acid, that is PABA, concentrated H2SO4, sodium carbonate and absolute alcohol. So next we go for the theory of chemicals. So first, para-aminobenzoic acid. So para-aminobenzoic acid is an white solid. It consists of benzene ring substituted with the amino carboxylic group. So the molecular formula of para-aminobenzoic acid is C7H7NO2. Melting point 187 degrees Celsius and molecular weight or molecular mass is 137.14 gram per mole. Next is concentrated H2SO4. So it is also called as, or it is also known as, oil of vitriol. It is a mineral acid composed of a element sulfur, oxygen and hydrogen. So the formula for H2SO4 and boiling point is 337 degrees Celsius. Next is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, it is an inorganic compound. All forms are white. The sodium carbonate is water soluble salt that yield moderately alkaline solution in water. So the molecular formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. Melting point of sodium carbonate is 851 degrees Celsius. Next is absolute alcohol. So we used ethanol in this synthesis. So ethanol is an organic chemical compound. Ethanol is a volatile, flammable, colorless liquid with a slight characteristic odor. Molecular formula of alcohol is C2H5OH. Boiling point of ethanol is 78.37 degrees Celsius. Now benzocaine. So benzocaine is an ester of local anesthetic, commonly used as a topical pain reliever or in cough drops. It is the active ingredient in many over-the-counter anesthetic ointment, such as product of oral ulcer. So, molecular formula of benzocaine is C9H11NO2. Molecular mass 165.192 gram per mole. Benzocaine is sparingly soluble in water. It is more soluble in dilute acid and very soluble in ethanol, chloroform and ethyl ether. Melting point of benzocaine in a range with 88 to 90 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is about 310 degrees Celsius and density of benzocaine is 1.17 gram per centimeter cube. So the properties of benzocaine. Benzocaine is sparingly soluble in water. It is more soluble in dilute acid and very soluble in ethanol, chloroform and ethyl ether. Now, use of benzocaine. Benzocaine is a topical local anesthetic that's applied to the skin, mouth, gums to numb nerve endings. It relieves pain and itching caused by conditions like insect bites, sore throats, and tooth catches. Now, principle. Principle behind this synthesis of benzocaine. So, benzocaine is synthesized by acid catalyzed esterification reaction with the reaction of carboxylic acid, that is para-aminobenzoic acid and alcohol. Esterification is reversible process and this process is proceed very slowly. So for that purpose, to increase the speed of reaction or increase the rate of reaction, we use catalyst like sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. Benzocaine exists as a sulfate salt if sulfuric acid is used as a catalyst. To obtain free ethyl 4-amino benzoate, suitable amount of sodium carbonate is added. So precaution is that quantity of sodium carbonate is added. It can cause a base catalyze hydrolysis of ester. So it should be added just to make a pH neutral. Next is the reaction of this synthesis. In this reaction, conversion of para-aminobenzoic acid is get converted into ethyl para-aminobenzoate with the presence of ethanol and H2SO4. Now the reaction mechanism. So mechanism of this reaction, there is a reduction of para-nitrobenzoic acid to aminobenzoic acid. For that conversion, there is a proton in each step. One oxygen get removed from this molecule and proton get takes place here. So H2O molecule get liberated and H plus get attached here. As the reaction further carried out, there will be breakdown of pi bond between nitrogen and oxygen and formation of hydroxy molecule at the end. In step 2, this is the esterification reaction takes place, proton introduced to para-aminobenzoic acid. As we added ethanol in this reaction, thus CH3CH2OH group attached to carbon atom and remove H2O molecule and it will form a benzocaine product. Next is the procedure for the synthesis. So in this, place 2 gram of para-aminobenzoic acid in 13 ml of absolute alcohol. In that add 2.5 ml of concentrated H2SO4 in previously dried 100 ml round bottom flask. Fitted this reaction mixture with the reflex condenser. Reflex the reaction mixture for about 2 hours on a water bath till it becomes a clear solution. Pour the hot reaction mixture into 40 ml of water. If no solid separates, then add little decolorizing carbon stir and filter in 100 ml of beaker. To the filtrate, add slowly solid sodium carbonate till the pH of the reaction mixture get neutral to litmus. Cool the reaction mixture, filter, dry it and report the yield.
Now we will see the requirements and chemical required for this synthesis. So the requirement is spatula, rubber bulb, pipette, and the first chemical is para-amino benzoic acid. Next sodium carbonate. Next ethanol, and then concentrated H2SO4. Okay. Then RBF. For the reflexation reaction, we require the reflex condenser and the stand and other requirements. So let us start with the procedure. I already weigh 2 gram of the parabenzoic acid. Now I am going to adding para-amino benzoic acid 2 gram in RBF. Then we add 13 ml of absolute alcohol. And the next we will going to measure 2.5 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Always see the meniscus. By slowly wall of the RBF, we adding H2SO4 into this reaction mixture. Now we will set the reflex condensation assembly. This is the condenser. Next is the RBF. In that we mix all the reaction mixture. Then this is the outlet in a upper portion, and this is the inlet in a bottom portion. Now we start the heating procedure. Before that, make sure that always add porcelain pieces in this reflux reaction to avoid the bumping of the reaction mixture. I have already added the porcelain pieces in this reaction. So we start the heating procedure. And start the tap. You can see the outlet. So further this reaction we carried out for the 2 hours. In between, see the water level and the reaction mixture. So we have completed the heating 1.5 hour. Further this reaction mixture we will heat for half hour only. Now 2 hours heating is completed. So we will remove the RBF. So this is our reaction mixture. Pour this reaction mixture into the 40 ml of hot water. So we have poured all the reaction mixture into the hot water. See the changes occur in a reaction mixture. Now we will add the sodium carbonate until the reaction mixture get neutral. Check this neutralized reaction with the help of pH meter. This yellow color pH paper get changed into the slightly green color. So now you can see the color of this yellow pH paper. It get changes to slightly green in color. So our reaction mixture has neutral in nature now. So now we are going to filter this reaction mixture. See the precipitate obtained from this all over reaction. Now we will keep this crude product for the drying.
So student, this is our final product of benzocaine after drying. Student, let us see the calculation part for this synthesis. Here is the limiting agent is para-amino benzoic acid. Therefore, yield should be calculated using the amount taken. So molecular formula for amino benzoic acid, that is PABA, C7H7NO2. Molecular formula of benzocaine, that is C9H11NO2. Molecular weight of para-amino benzoic acid, that is 137.14 gram per mole. Molecular weight of benzocaine, that is 165.19 gram per mole. Now we calculate the theoretical yield. So for calculation of theoretical yield, 137.15 gram of PABA forms 165.19 gram of benzocaine. So therefore 2 gram of para-amino benzoic acid will form how much amount of benzocaine? So calculation is 165.19 into 2 divided by 137.14. So we obtain our theoretical yield is 2.40 gram. Our practical yield is 2.15 gram. So on the basis of theoretical yield and practical yield, we calculate percentage yield. Percentage yield calculation carried out by practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. So our practical yield is 2.15 divided by 2.14, that is our theoretical yield, into 100. So we will get our percentage yield, that is 90%. So the result of this synthesis is the percentage yield of benzocaine was found to be 90%. So the question bank of this synthesis of benzocaine. First, what do you mean by the esterification reaction? So esterification is the process of combining an organic acid with alcohol and to form a ester or water, or a chemical reaction resulting in the formation of at least one ester product. So as acid is get reacted with the alcohol, it will give the ester molecule and the water molecule. Next, what are the different marketed formulation of benzocaine? So here we mention some marketed formulation of benzocaine, that is ear drop, topical gel and dental cream. Next, define catalyst. So the catalyst is in chemistry any substance that increase the rate of reaction without itself being consumed. So that increase the speed of reaction. Next is enlist different type of catalyst. So common type of catalyst include, first is the enzymes catalyst, acid base catalyst and heterogeneous or surface catalyst. Thank you.